Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the PS5 to Cronus Zen. First, ensure your PS5 console is powered on. Then, have your Cronus Zen device and PS5 controller ready. Next, plug the Cronus Zen USB cable into the front or back USB port of the PS5. After that, the Cronus Zen will power on automatically. Now, connect your controller to Cronus Zen. For a wired connection, use the USB-C cable to connect your PS5 DualSense controller to Cronus Zen. For a wireless connection, put your controller into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the PS Plus create buttons until the LED blinks. Then follow the Cronus Zen instructions to pair wirelessly. After that, connect Cronus Zen to your PC or mobile app. Now open Cronus Zen Studio. Check for firmware updates and update if available. Then open Cronus Zen Studio or the mobile app again. Next, select the game pack, macro, or script you want to use with your PS5 and save the configuration to Cronus Zen. Finally, launch a PS5 game, ensure buttons, sticks, and triggers respond correctly, and make any adjustments in Cronus Zen Studio if necessary. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.